friends, what if you could create your own AI influencer in just a few seconds and generate unlimited images using the same character? And not just that, you could even build your own social media page or website around it. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today, we're going to explore Vidu, a powerful tool that can turn simple text into stunning images and videos. So let's dive in and see how you can create your own AI influencer and completely change the game. In this video, we're going to learn how to generate your very first AI influencer images. Then we'll create different variations of the same character, with different outfits and different poses. After that, we'll turn our influencer into a reference and even bring it to life in video form. So, let's get started by creating a unique character for our AI influencer. All right, once you've logged in, click on Generate Image and then choose Text to Image. Now, this is where you describe how you want your character to look. I'll also share this prompt with you so you can quickly try out exactly what I'm doing here. Next, select Nano Banana 2 as the model. You can adjust other settings like aspect ratio and the number of images. And once everything is ready, just click Create. Great! Now our unique character has been generated. Go ahead and pick the most suitable one for your AI influencer and download the image. You might notice both images look quite similar, but the facial details are slightly different, so make sure to choose the one that looks best to you. Once you've selected your image, hover over it, click on this icon, and choose Reference to Image. And now, you'll see this new interface appear. Now, keep the settings the same as before. And here, you need to describe how you want the new image to be generated. For example, you can change your character's outfit, pose, or even the action they're performing. Or if you want, you can create a completely new scene, while still using the same character's face to maintain consistency across all your images. Wow, that looks super realistic. I really love this. As you can see, we can generate as many images as we want while keeping the same character consistency. And if you look closely, the original face and the newly generated one are exactly the same. All right, let's try one more. This time, we'll keep the pose and everything else the same, but we'll change the outfit to a pink one. Perfect! Now you can really see the full potential of using reference images. But normally, you would have to mention the reference image in your prompt every single time to keep the character consistent. To make this easier, Vidu provides a built-in references feature. So let's create one for our character. Click on References, and then click on the plus icon. Now in this section, upload at least one clear image of your character. But in my case, I'll upload 3 images of the generated character. Then give it a name and add a tag. And once everything is set, click on Next Step. In this step, you can review this, and if everything looks good, simply click Continue. Great! Now our AI influencer is ready. We can generate unlimited images in different outfits, locations, and poses. Simply select your influencer and describe how you want the image to be generated. The best part is, you don't need to mention the reference image in your prompt anymore. Just enter your prompt and click Create. Awesome! Now let's try generating a few more images. All right, now you understand how powerful this feature is and how you can create any kind of image using just a simple prompt. So now, let's bring our AI influencer to life. But how? It's actually very simple. You have 2 options. The first option is to click on Reference to Video, select your reference, and then describe how you want the video to be generated. The second option is to choose any image you've already created, click on Apply to Reference, and select Video. Then choose the video duration, describe how you want your character to act, select Q3 as the model, adjust any other settings as you prefer, and finally, click Create. Wow, that's awesome! And just like that, you can bring your character to life and share it across your social media platforms. All you need to do is generate an image using the character references we created, then convert it from image to video, select the duration, and describe how you want your character to act. And that's exactly how I used Vidu to successfully create an AI influencer. Now it's your turn. You can do the same. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, go ahead and visit vidu.com, create your own AI influencer, and comment below what your purpose is for creating one. Plus, you might even get a chance to win 1 month of ChatGPT Pro.